Hi, welcome to Cash Reviews. In today's video, we're taking a look at this tire inflator by VacLife. I've had this inflator for about 3 years and it has saved me a few times, and I've gotten a really good idea of how this thing works. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the specs and features of this product. Then I'm going to be doing a tire inflation race, seeing how long this thing takes to raise a tire 10 psi. And then finally, I'll go over if I would recommend this product or not. Let's get right into it. So let's start out with some very general information about this product. My product is yellow, but it's available in a few different colors. This thing weighs about 2.5 pounds. It's about 10 inches long, about 8 inches wide, and about 4 inches high, and it's mostly made out of plastic. Now, this plastic isn't super high quality, but it's not low quality either, and for the most part, I'm pretty happy with that. Now that you know a little bit about the physical product itself, let's talk about the specifications and what you get when you order one of these products. The first thing that you get is the inflator itself. This comes with a cable that's about 12 feet long, so you should be able to reach every single tire on your vehicle when you're using this. And then the inflator hose itself is about 2.5 to 3 feet long. Your kit will come with a few alternate nozzles, so if you want to fill up something like a basketball, you'll be able to do that, and then you'll even have a few other options. For me, I've mostly just used this thing for cars, but it's good to have options. The inflator itself is pretty basic, and it just features a few buttons and an electronic screen, and I'll get into what all of this does shortly. But now let's talk about price. This inflator is available for about $30, but if you sign up for an Amazon Prime membership, you could actually save a few bucks off of that. I have a link to where you could get this inflator as well as start a free trial of Amazon Prime linked down below. If you're gonna sign up for Amazon Prime or get this inflator, please click that link in the description. It helps support me and the channel with no extra cost to you. And now let's get into application and my experience of this inflator before I get into some of the downsides and limitations of it. This tire inflator is perfect for someone who wants a portable option and a portable way to fill up their car's tires. Of course, you do need to be able to plug this into a 12-volt port in a car, so it's not a total standalone unit. But if you want to fill up tires on your car on the go, or fill up sports balls or bike tires, this is a good option. You may want one of these if you air down your tires to go off-road, if you have a leaky tire that you often need to fill up, or even if you just want to be prepared and have a way to fill up your tires in case you need it. And now let's get into how to actually use this product. Luckily, it's extremely simple. All you have to do is plug your cord into a 12-volt socket in your car, and then your electronic screen will come on. Then all you need to do is hook up the end of the inflator to your valve stem by pushing it on there and then pressing this lever down. At this point, this will start operating as a tire pressure gauge, and it will tell you how much air is in your tire. From there, you could go ahead and use the plus or minus buttons to set your target PSI. Once you're there, you click the power button and this thing will start inflating your tire. But how long does this thing take to fill up a tire? To find out, I went ahead and raised the tire pressure in my car from 22 to 33, and it took approximately 2 minutes. Of course, this will vary based on tire size, temperature, and conditions, but that's what I found with this product. Another cool feature on this product is it has a flashlight on the front there, so if you need to work in the dark, you can just press the power button for the flashlight. That will turn on and you'll be able to see. Once your tire reaches the desired pressure, this thing turns off automatically. So overall, this thing has been pretty nice and it's definitely met my expectations, but there are some limitations to keep in mind if you're gonna buy one of these products. The first is that this product could only inflate car tires to approximately 50 psi. If you're working with smaller tires like bikes, you could do more, but if you have big tires, don't expect to get over 50 psi and you might end up damaging your unit. Also, this inflator isn't designed to be run for more than 10 minutes at a time, and they warn you that if you're approaching that 10-minute mark, you need to let this thing cool down and give it a break so you don't damage it. Finally, the only other downsides that I found with this product is it's pretty loud, so if that's annoying to you or for some reason you need to be stealth, this thing does make a lot of noise and it might not be for you. Also, the cords are kind of long, which is great for reaching around the car, but it does mean you need to wrap them up, which is a bit of a hassle, but honestly, I don't really see another way around that without having a battery-powered unit, so it's really not a big deal. So to wrap up, this tire inflator has met my expectations and it does a really good job. If you're looking to pick up a tire inflator like this one, go ahead and click those links down below. Sign up for Prime, you'll get it even cheaper than if you don't have Prime. Again, this helps support me and the channel and I really appreciate it. Don't forget to let me know down below if there's any other products that you want to see reviewed, and I hope you stick around for the next one. Take care.